Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh Bharti and you are watching Beam Up channel, and let's get started with our project. And this video is going to be the last tutorial on this project, that is GP house. And let's get started. And you can find the file link in the description, so you can check it out. And let's get started. And what is left in this? So we have made already everything in this project. So today what we are going to do is we are just going to create some legends, rooms, and surface areas. I mean, to calculate the surface area, then scheduling, door scheduling and window scheduling, and then you can also do the wall scheduling. After that, what else do we need? And then we will prepare a sheet and we will end this session. So we will try to do it fast. So let's get started. And before that, as you can remember, I told you that we are going to change this door family. So go to the ground floor or any of the floor and then select any of the door. Let me see if I go to the realistic view. Right now, as you can see, this is not the one. Yes, this door. So we have to change this door. So what we can do is, I have downloaded one of the door for this. So where's that? Yes, in this one, I think. Yes, this door. So I'm just dragging and dropping it in our project, and you will find the door file in the description. So just select this one and then press SA on your keyboard, so it will select all the door and go to the hidden line. And as you can see that this door has been selected, and now we are going to change this door to this door directly. And now as you can see that door has been changed. After this, let's go to first floor. And why is there second floor? Actually, okay, this is not the second floor, this is the roof actually. And the roof, so there are two roofs actually, so let it be. And then here just select this image, double S to hide it, and after that select this door and SA, and then change this door. And now we have changed all the doors, and after changing the doors, now we have to make rooms. So let's get started making rooms. And before making rooms, just remember to duplicate the view. So first of all, let us duplicate the view, and then just duplicate it or duplicate it with detailing. So I'm just duplicating it, not duplicating it with the detailing. So just duplicate it, and after that rename it as uh, ground level legend, and you can write its name as 2.1 for your reference only. And after this, okay, as you can see that when we write its name as 2.1, it's just gone up. After that, select the first floor, rename it, or not rename it, duplicate, and then rename it as 3.1. So first of all, write its name as legend and 3.1. Okay, 3.1 and done. So now we have this two of the levels, and then we need to hide these things. So just select any of these outer material assets and then hide in view and category, and now we will see that everything has been hidden. After hiding this all, you can hide this. We don't need this anymore right now. After hiding this, let's get started with making room. So for making room, first go to the room, then select this room and this one, then where else is our room? So this is the kitchen and we need to separate it. So go to the room separator and then start from this end, I mean this end point, and then keep it till this point, I think, and from this point and from the middle to of this to this, and then trim this area. And then if you want, you can move it by a little bit like this. And now the kitchen has been separated. After separating the kitchen, you can assign the room here. So as you can see, we have assigned a room, and I don't think we need a wall over here. Or what we can do is, this is a room and we can make an attached toilet. So just do something like this, and then DR is the door shortcut, and put a door over here. And now we have attached bathroom with this room. After this we have this as a bathroom. Maybe no, we don't consider it as a bathroom. This is a type of room. Okay, let it be. After this go to the rooms again, and I think we need one more separator. Yes, we need separator in this place, in the middle of this. So from here to here, and then give it a room, and then select this part and give it a name. Just select this cross section and give it a name as living room maybe. So select this one, or then living room. After giving it a name, this is our outdoor area. So go to the room again, and from here to here, yes, and give it a name as outdoor area, or Surek area, or entrance. Yes, entrance would be perfect. After giving it a name, again go to the room, and then as you can see that we have a room over here. Let it be, and give it a name as maybe a puja room. So giving the name is your choice. So whatever new name you want to give, you can give it. After this is this sitting area over here. So we have to make a separator at this place also. So just go to the room separator and separate this place, something like this, and then try to give it a room. If it can adjust here, as you can see that it has been adjusted over here. Okay, and give it a name as sit out area. Sit out. Okay, and what else is left? Let's just try to see. This living room area has fulfilled this place. This kitchen has been fulfilled. Yes, everything has been done. If you want to give this as a room also, so you can also give it a room name, like just select this one and give it a name. And no, we cannot apply it here, so just delete it and delete it. Okay, done. After this, just go to the, we are at 2.1, now go to 3.1, and here we need to do the same thing. So just go to the room and select your room over here, select your room over here, select it, and as you can see there's so much cumbersome. So just hide in view and category, and now everything has been hidden. After this, select room. This two room has been separated. This is the one room, this is one, and as you can see that we cannot separate it, so we give it a room separator. And then as you can see, and now if you go to architecture, room, and give it a name, and now it's done. After this, as you can see that here also this is a very large area, so just go to the room once again, and you can not room separator, and then after this is a bathroom over here, and this is a wardrobe area. So just attach a door at this place, and then if you want to, if you want, you can increase the size of this wall, and then you can apply a door over here, but let it be open area only. After this, go to the room, and now you can see that this has been separated in two parts, 1 and 2. And after this is our walking area, I think. And here we have, let me see, this is the top portion. Here we have a room. Yes, then we can also give it a name of sit out area type, and just apply a room over here, and then let it be. And here we have something like bathroom. Then we have this here as a bathroom, and this area, this is a walkway or pathway type of area. So I think we need to separate it. Yes, we need to separate it. Cancel it, go to the room separator, and now as you can see that we don't require this wall over this place. So first of all, go to the wall and make something like this, then align it, align. As you can see now that we have aligned, and this is the area from where people will come, so we have to make some more changes to it. So let me do it something like this, and then trim it, this portion to this portion, and trim this portion to this portion, and now delete this portion. And now as you can see that everything has been done. Just go to the door, dr is the door shortcut, and apply a door at this place, and now we have a room, we have a walking area as a pathway. So just go to the room once again, and now if I try to give it a room name, will it take? Okay, now that we have applied in every room, just select the cross section. As you can see, we have just selected the cross section, and here in room you can give it a name of, where is that toilet? Let me see, on the ground level we have not given any of the toilet. Yes, so rename it as toilet. No, this is not toilet, this is playroom maybe. And this is puja room, this is room, and here we had a toilet. So WA for the wall shortcut, and apply a wall over here, and now again tag a room, and now rename it as toilet, and done. And this is not a room, this is bedroom, done. And then living room, this is kitchen, so we have not renamed everything, so we are going to rename it right now, done. After renaming it as kitchen, just go to the 3.1 and then select this cross section, go to the name, and here you can select toilet. Then here you can, and as you can see we don't need a wall over here, and just give it a wall at this place, and we have this as a toilet. And okay, cancel it, delete it, cancel it. Okay, we are going to keep it till here, then WA, and from here to here just give it a door, and now we have this as a toilet area. As you can see that this door size is much larger, so you can change the door size afterwards. And then go to the room and give it a tag, and done. After giving it a tag, just select this one, go to the room, here you can select bedroom, done. Go to this place, search for the cross section. Where's that cross section? Okay, yes, this one, give it a name of toilet. After this, select this cross section, yes, this one, yes, this one, and then bedroom. And as you can see that we have not assigned a room over here, so just go to the room, and yes, now assign it as a toilet. And if you think that this area is too small, now I'm not going as per the drawing, I'm going to just assigning the way I want. So it's not necessary that you do the same thing, you can do anything that you want to. And then here is a sit out area type. Okay, either sit out area or you can give it as living room. So if you want to design it as a living room, you can do that. After this, this I am going to assign it as sit out, then this one as bedroom, then this one as living room, maybe living room, then select this one, and then bedroom. So as you can see that we are doing it one by one, so it is taking a bit of time, but let me tell you one thing, that I have shot this, I'm just recording this video second time, because yesterday I just forgot to press the start button before recording, and that was a huge mistake. So that video was about an hour maybe, or more than that. So I'm trying to do it fast today. This is our toilet, so I'm doing the same thing twice and I don't like it to do it twice. That's a huge mistake that I did yesterday, and I cannot find a cross section over this place. Where is that cross section? Okay, let me select the room. As you can see, this portion. Okay, we can just rename it as pathway. Done. And everything is done, I think so. And after applying this, if you want to make this as a room like this open area, but you have to separate it and you can give it a name of balcony. So I'm not going to do that. If you want to, you can just create a room separator from here to here to here to here, and then you have to make a close line. Just remember that. And as you can see that this door doesn't match, so you can put it a little bit outside or inside, it doesn't matter. After this, we have applied our door over all places. So now that this has been done, and now if you go to the legend, now that we have created the room, and if you go to the legend, then also you will find that you cannot tag that areas in the legend. So go to annotate first and go to this color fill legend, and as you can see that it is showing no color scheme is assigned, so we have to assign a color scheme. So how we are going to assign that? So first go to the level 2.1, I mean this ground level 2.1, and then go to the color scheme, and here you will find nothing. So go to the rooms and then name, and now you can see that everything is over here. Just press apply or OK. So now that color has been provided to all rooms, you can see that this area is left, and what else is left? Nothing. So we have to give it a name of something. So go to architecture, go to room, and just give it a name of OTS. Done. And go to the and after this, let me show you how we can assign the legends. So go to annotate, and now if you select this color fill legends, and remember that you cannot select this two. This is for the pipe and this is for the ducts. This are used in the Revit MEP, and we are not doing the MEP parts, we are just doing the architecture part. So select this color fill legend, and now you can see that it will show you every color over here. As you can see, this has been assigned everywhere, and if you want to assign a color to this one also, you can do that by room separator. After this, go to the first level, and now as you can see that the room colors has not been assigned, so we will again go to the color scheme, go to category, or select rooms, name, and apply and OK. And now as you can see that this area is empty, so we can give it a name of maybe a toilet, and this is as a dressing room. So as you can see that before applying this color we cannot see these things. Now it is clearly visible. After this, if you want to change the color of this, you can also do that. So here it is as toilet, and here you can rename it, not rename it, here you can give it a name of name of dressing room. Yes, dressing room, and done. So now we have these things, and if you want you can leave this area, and if you don't want you can keep it the way you want to. After this, as you can see, this was enlarging over here, and maybe if I delete this wall, no, cancel it, let it stay, and let it be the way it is right now. But I can see that there's one more wall, 5.5 inches wall, so let me delete it. Multiple rooms are assigned, delete this, OK, and now it's done. After this, OK, just go to the annotate, color fill, and now as you can see that everything has been applied over here, and now you can see the legends. After this legends, what else do we need? So we need a section view. As you can see, this is one of our section view of the kitchen. So if you want to keep it, you can. or you can increase the size of it by this and lower down this size from here. So now we just have the kitchen area at this place. So this is how our kitchen looks. I know that this doesn't look like a kitchen from this side, but in 3D view it does look like that. After this, go to the first level or ground level and then apply a section. And remember that first section you can apply from this place to this place, and just remember that stair should come in between. And then again apply a section, and you can give it a section something like this. Then you can give it a section something like this, and if you want you can give a section from the middle. So we have just created the 4 section. If you want to see the sections view, just double click on this, and now you can see the section view. As you can see that outer materials or those things are still visible in our project. If you don't want to hide those things, just go to hide in view and category, and now you will see that we just have our interior view of the house. So this is our first section. Then you can select the second section. Now you can see these things, and if you want to hide everything in from the background or the foreground, you can just hide it like this. And if you want that furniture should be visible in a project, so you can do it as duplicate one more of this levels, I mean the floor plans, and then you can do that after this. So I'm not going to show you the interior part in this sheet view or that. We are just applying this section view. So this is one of our section view. This is our third section view. As you can see that stairs are clearly visible in this, and then we have this section view. And now as you can see, this is our section view. If you want to hide it, just hide it by double H also, and you can keep this interior. Okay, done. And after creating this section views, what else do we need to do is we need to create schedules. Yes, so just go to the schedule, new schedule, quantities. First we will do the door scheduling. So just go to the door, then select the door, and after this what are the things you want in door. So first of all I want cost, count, then we need family and type, then after family and type we need type mark, so that we can provide a name to those doors directly. And if you want width and height, you can also do that. This is size. Okay, width, if you want to you can select it. I was searching for type mark. Where is that? Yes, this one. And if you want to select height, just select it from this place. It will be here somewhere. Yes, this one. And then family and type, count is at the last, and cost is okay, cost is at last, and count is at second last, type mark at second, with height, fine, and okay. And now we'll see that now everything is here. Now we are going to rename this as type mark. So as you can see, these are the doors name. So first of all you can rename this door, that is 36 by 84, as D1, and then just press anywhere at this place and press OK. And now as you can see that every door has been renamed as D1. After this, select this one and give it a name of D2 and OK. And now you can see that every door has been renamed as D2. After this, you can give it a name of D3. Now D3 has been provided. Then you can select this one as D4. Done. And is there anything left? Yes, this one as D5, and done. And now after providing this door name, you can, okay, we have not provided the label, so just go to the edit, and here you can select label. Where is that label? select this, move it to this side, and you can keep label either on the top or on the second. So I think I'm going to keep it at top. Okay, and after providing labels, just go to edit, and you can either edit by label. So first of all, I'm sorting it by label, and okay, so ground floor and first floor, as you can see, it has been provided. And if you want, you can give it a name, header. So from here you can see that from road level we just have one door. At ground level we have this many doors, and if you don't want to itemize every item, like this same door is visible many a times, like d1 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 d1. So if you want to just put one name and then count it from here, like this is 1111, it can give it a name of not name, it can count is at 3 4 5, how many number of this same door is available in our project, so it can count. So just go to this filter, you can select any of this, and then this whole field will appear. So 1 2 3 4 5, go to sorting, and here what we want that every item should not be, I mean every item should be itemized, should not be itemized. So just press OK, and now as you can see, this is the problem of Revit, sometimes it just vanishes everything. So just go to this family and type and OK, and now you can see that this is provided. Again go to this and do it by none, and then do it by label once again. Let me see if I can get that back. No. Okay, where is that family and type? Filter by none, and instead of label instead of family and type I'm selecting label. These are the 13 at ground level and 10 at first level. Okay, I cannot sort it by label, so I'm going to sort it by type mark, header, and second thing I'm going to sort it by label and give it, and don't give it a header. And now you can see that d1 at ground floor this many numbers, at d2 type of door is at ground floor this many numbers, d3 type of door is this many, that is 2 1 2 1, and this is how you want. And if you want to give a space in between, you can just go to this place and give it a blank space. And now you can see that after every item, I mean after every door, the type of door, here you can see that there is a blank line. After that you can also give this label as a header, so you can do that if you want to. And now you can see that it is more of cumbersome, so I'm just going to remove the type mark. I think I remove as none, and okay, no, I cannot do that. Instead of none, we are going to select family and type, and don't give a header, label, give it a header, and okay. And now as you can see that at ground level this is the number of doors, and give it a blank line in between. Okay, so these are the types how you can select this. And if you just want to remove this family and type, you can do that. Just go to this field, remove family and type like this, and go to sorting, and here now we have label, and okay, we are going to separate it by label, and then first separate it by label, and we have d5 type of door, no, type mark, ground level. Okay, there's one more door left, so we can rename it as d6, and give a blank space. So actually there are very much option at this place. As you can see that at ground level, if you want to remove this label part, you can hide this label part also. Okay, from here you can hide it if you want to. As you can see, hide column. Okay, I'm going to make it by type mark as a header, and then no label, nothing, just this. And now we have this things. And D2 type of door, this many, D1 type of door, this many, level has not been provided. Okay, you can keep this, or go to sorting and select label over here, and okay, and now we have something like this. So we are just going to use this one in our scheduling. So now you have seen that how many editing you can do in this one. And if you want to count this, so we have not counted it, as you can see that these are just the count but not the total count. So for total count, just go to the sorting, and instead of this, just select grand total, then go to totals only, go to formatting, and here in count you can just give it a calculation, calculate totals, and done. Now you can see that everything has been provided. After this, we have this D1 type of door. So for D1 type of door, I'm just giving it a cost of 7,000 rupees. After this, at this one, as you can see, this is D2 type of door. You can give it a price of 8,000. So prices, I don't know what are the prices, so you can just give it whatever you want. After this is the D3 type of door. I'm giving it 8,000, then 9,000, and okay. After giving it 9,000, select this one, D4. You can give it a name of, okay, 12,000. I mean the cost of 12,000. After this, D5, 14,000, and here 11,000. Okay, done. And now you can see that this is not showing our total value. So just go to the edit, go to the formatting, go to the cost, calculate, and calculate totals. Done. Now you can see that 5,65,000. This is too much. Okay, this here is a problem. Let's change it. Where is that edit column? Okay, let me undo it. 9,000. Okay, now everything is fine. And this is 1,40,000. Just remove it. 12,000 is fine. Again, formatting, cost, calculate totals. Fine. 1,96,000 is the cost of our door and window. I mean door. Then you can go to the new schedule. Save. Always remember to save your project, and then go to the window. And in window, we are not going to do much things. Just select the level first, then select family and type, and then select type mark, and then you can select cost and count. So cost and count, and done, and okay. And now we have this window scheduling, and this is just as level 1, that is fine, but where is that second floor? Okay, let's go to sorting, sort by family and type, and okay. Edit, itemize every item. Fine. So we have two types of door, 18 and 19. You can rename it as W1, W2. This is W1 and this is W2 type of window. And then we need to provide it a cost of like 10,000, and here you can give it 8,000. And then as you can see that this is not the right format type, so go to the filter, count, keep it a little above on this, and now we have this. And then if you want to count this one, go to edit, go to formatting, and here first select grand totals, totals only, formatting, and here you can select count, calculate, calculate totals, cost, calculate, calculate totals. And then if you want to assign everything in the middle, as you can see this is on the left, so if you want to assign it at the middle, just select label, and here alignment center, type mark alignment center, count alignment center, cost alignment center, and okay. And now you can see that we have got the cost, we got everything that we want. After this, we can make a schedule of, let me see, I have started recording or not. Okay, and then we can take the wall schedule, just take this wall, then in wall you can select family and type, then you can select height. Okay, we don't have height, we have area, so select area. Then we have cost. Okay, we are not calculating cost, I don't know the cost of wall, so I'm not going to assume that also. After this type mark, you can give the wall a name, then you can use volume, you can give a width, and then these are the things that you can use, but I'm just using few or many things. And now we have family type, area, type mark on the top, and not top, on the second place. Then we have area, volume, width and count, and okay. And now we'll see that everything has been provided to us, and we have just to give a type mark to it. So first of all, select this wall, so 9 inches wall, you can give it as W1. Okay, WA1, actually W we have used for that window, so WA, that is wall 1. After this 4.5 inches, W2, done. After this curtain wall, G1, I mean the glass wall, and then this as curtain 2, so glass 2. Then we can give it a name of, this was, what was that, louvers, so L1, yes. So wooden wall, just select louvers, and here louver 2, done. And here we have wider louver, so W3, okay, L3, and done. And now we have this many type of walls. After this you can see the area, you can see the volume, you can see the width. If you want to calculate total, you can just go to edit. First of all, what we need to do is I just untick this, itemize every item, and press OK. Okay, just a second. Okay, so just go to edit, first go to the sorting. In sorting, first of all, family and type, give it a header, and okay. And I will see this, these are the type of door that we have. And here is storefront wall, we have not given it a name, so you can rename it as, what we could rename it as, this one we can rename it as S1. So these are the types of door that we have in our project. Okay, so now we have this area, and as you can see that this areas are not provided by Revit, so I don't know why, so let it be. After this, if you want to adjust these things, you can adjust this. Then if you want to count this, so you can count, go to edit, and then sorting, then grand total, totals, and formatting. If you want to keep it in the middle, you can do that. For volume, calculate totals. For width, you can calculate totals. For count, you can calculate totals. And for area, you can calculate totals. And if you want to put it on the middle, just select the alignment as center, 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 and center. And type mark also center. Done. So these are the required things that we have in our project. And now as you can see that everything has been provided by Revit. So there's some bug in Revit 2021 by which we cannot see few of the things every time in this scheduling section. So as you can see, we have this 58 types, not types, 58 division in our wall, and then this width of wall, then circumference and area, and these are the types of wall, and this is the name of the wall. And now that we have done scheduling, what is left is just making the sheets. So just go to the sheet, create new sheet, and you can load a sheet. So I have my own sheet, and let me see to be used. Over here I can find my sheet, just open it. And remember that the door family you will find in the description, always remember that. After this, if you want to give it an elevation, you can, as you can see that this elevation is damn too large for this page. So first go to the east elevation and just hide everything. and hide in view category. Go to the north view, hide in view category. Go to the south view, and also remember that you can make copy of it. I mean, you can duplicate it. So that is also an option. Hide in view category. And after this two walls, these are coming out, this three type of wall. So let me just put it till first floor, and now it's done. So now we just have our area, and as you can see that this area is too large to put it on the sheet. So you can go to the crop view and crop region, and then crop this view like this. And if you want, you can just make duplicate of it. So one with the outer view you can give it, and then second one without the outer view. So I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to finish it as fast as I can right now. Okay, let it be the ground area. And now this part is done. Go to the south view again, go to the view and crop view, and then select this one. And you can also reduce the scaling size of this. So right now we have 1 by 8, that is this. If you want to reduce it, you can do it as 1 by 4. And now if I go to my sheet that we have created 101 and rename it as elevation, okay, open it and just select any of the elevation. Okay, this is larger, this is also larger. In south view, as you can see, this is a bit more smaller the way we want. And this west view, this is also smaller, this is much smaller in size. So after this, go to the north view and then select this crop region, select this, make it smaller, select this, make it smaller, and then go to the sheets once again, go to the north, put it over here. And if you want to increase or decrease the size of it, so you can do that. After this north view, you can go to the east view and then crop this. And I've not provided the, okay, we are going to provide that in the sheet also. What I was saying, that just a second. Okay, this is much larger, so we can reduce the size of it. 3 by 8, 3 by 8, 1 by 2. Okay, just go to the schedule, okay, not schedule, the sheets 1 and we have to reduce the size of it. Go to the east view, 1 by 2 instead of 1 by 2, check it as 1 by 8. And let's again go to the same sheet for 1 by 8. As you can see, this area has been cropped, and if you want to give it a name, you can do that. If you want to remove it, you can check out my previous video how to remove this one. Okay, let me tell you, just select this, go to edit, and here you will find that show extension line. If you want to remove that extension line, just press OK, and now you have removed the extension line. And here you can provide the name of the view and all. So this is how you make the elevation view. After this, make one new sheet, and here we are going to select this same sheet, then give it a name of schedule, and just provide this door schedule first, then provide this wall schedule, then provide this window schedule. Now we have provided all the schedules. Then make one more sheet, and then my sheet. Okay, and here you can rename it as section view, done. And just go to your section, select first section. As you can see, this section is much more smaller in sizes, so you can adjust the size by scaling from here by going to this things, I mean this floor plan. So I'm not going to change it, let's just keep it the way it is right now. And now that we have provided the section view, we need to provide the floor plan. So here are the legends and floor plan, one of the floor plan, and not this one, this 3.1, and now as you can see that everything is at this place, but we have to make some editing at this place. So you can select this crop view, select this one, and then size crop. Okay, I cannot do that. Okay, let me first activate this view, and now I can crop it. If I crop it from this side, and done. This has been. After this, okay, there's one more problem. Okay, let me undo it. I'm going to delete this one, and I will make a new sheet, and in that sheet I'm going to provide this both. So again, go to the sheets, make new sheet, and okay, and give it a name of after scheduling you can give it a name of floor plan. And in floor plan, first of all, go to this section that is around 2.1, and now we have to enter some of the dimension. We have not provided the dimension. That is what I was saying before. So this is 2.11, then this area is 2 by 7, then this area from here to here is 24.21. This kitchen from here to here is, and if you want to remove the grids, just select this grid, hide in view, category, select this one, hide in view, category. And if you want to hide this outer area, you can do that, but let us just leave it in the way it is right now. And just a second, I think we have just hidden our dimension. So select this one, go to hide in view, category, and now you can see that everything has been hidden. And if you want to hide this section view, just select double H on your keyboard. I mean, just press double H on your keyboard, and now you can hide this. And in floor plan, just go to DI for the dimension, and now wall face and dimension. As you can see, I've selected this wall face already, and then from this area, this area, this is something like this. From this place to this place, from this place to this place. And if you want to keep everything at one place, you can just move it like this. Then we have this area, DI for the dimension shortcut, from here to here, done. And then from here to here, done. Then this is much larger in size right now, just reduce the size of it by moving like this. And now that we have provided every area to this is the width dimension, and from here to okay, dimension from here to here and here, done. So now that we have provided the dimension, I'm just providing the dimension to one of the floor. You can provide this way to the second floor. After this, we are going to the floor plan. Just select the first floor plan, that is 2.1, and place it over this side, and done. And then go to the second 3.1, and then first floor plan, and done. And if you want to hide this grids, just select one of the grid, hide in view, category, done. And select this, double S to hide it, select this section view, double S to hide it, select this view, double S to hide it, select this section, double S to hide it. And now that everything is hidden, you can see a clean sheet. So this is how our sheet looks. If you want to make a crop in this region, you can do that from here or directly from here. Just go to the 3.1, select this one. Where's the crop view? Crop region, yes, and you can make it smaller like this, like this, and like this. And now we have our legend at this place, so we are going to keep that legend. And ground floor also, if you want to do the same thing, you can do that, or if you want, you can move it a bit inside. And now we have it, and go to the floor plan once again. And now you can see these section views like this. After providing these views, if you want to hide this crop annotation crop, no, we don't need annotation crop. We want to hide this outer views, so just remove this, and now you can see that we have a clean sheet. So no, we don't have a clean sheet. So just go to this place, and you can select this 4 elevation, double S to hide it. Okay, undo it. In crop region, where is that crop region option? Crop view, crop region, everything is active, and as you can see that this is the area that is active. So you can just do it like this, like this, like this, and like this. Now we have everything at place. So just go to this floor plan, and now you can see that this is something. This is how it looks. So go to the first level, and now you can give it a name. So this project name was GP House, and then elevation owner Saurabh Bharti. And remember that you will get everything in the description, so don't forget to check it out for your reference purpose only. And then project name GP House, done. Issue date, what is the date today? So we have a date 21st May. So 21/05/21, and checked by me only, and drawn by me only. Okay. BHAR. Okay, done. And after this, if you will see that every sheet has been renamed as we want. And then what else do we require in our project? I don't think we require anything else. So I think we should end this session. Okay, one more thing, that is 3D section view. So just go to the 3D, and if you want, you can put this 3D view, or you can first of all duplicate it. So I'm just duplicate it with detailing. Then go to this view. Okay, just hide everything, and again duplicate it, and make one more copy. I think, yes, we are going to make one more copy, and now we have 4 of these things. So just go to this, and then section box, and then just make it smaller, and in this one, first of all, let me rename it as kitchen. Done. After this, just crop it, something like this, something like this, and done. And from here also. So this is our kitchen view, and as you can see that there's a much larger area at this place. Select this one, make it smaller, select this one, make it smaller till this area, and now we just have our kitchen at this place. And if you want, you can make it a little bit more smaller like this, and now we just have our kitchen view. So this is 3D section view. Then After kitchen, we are going to make the 3D section view of the first floor. So just select this one and then go to the front view and select section box. And make it smaller from the top, something like this. And now we have our this area, that is first floor area. And you can show it something like this. And if you don't want to show this, I mean this soil, you can just remove that area also by just going to the front view and making it smaller from this side. So that is also an option. So I'm just going to keep it like this. So this is how ground floor looks. After this, go to the ground floor, rename it as ground floor. After this, go to again this section area and rename it as first floor. Done. And after renaming it as first floor, just select this area, go to the front view, and then again go to the section view. So this is how we show 3D section view in our project. And you can also get some great rendering in Enscape for this section views. So you can use that also. I have a full length video made on that thing. Make it smaller from this side, make it smaller from this side, and now you can see that our ground floor, I mean the first floor, looks something like this. After this, just go to the sheets once again, new sheet, and select this and rename this sheet as 3D views. Done. And in 3D views, just select first view, keep it, second view, keep it, third view, something like this, and fourth view. And as you can see, that fourth view is a bit of a larger view, so just go to this, select section box and make it smaller. Make it smaller from this side, make it smaller from this side, make it smaller from this side, make it smaller from this side. And now we have it something like this. And again go to the section view, and now you can see this view, and now everything is fine. So these are the things that we require. And if you want to increase the size of this kitchen, just go to the kitchen. Where is our kitchen view? Kitchen, yes, this one. And in scaling, it is 1/8. You can do it as 3/8 maybe, and then go to 3D view. And now you can see that it is a bit larger in size right now. So these are our 3D views, and we have just finished everything. And let me show you the 3D rendering of our project. So just go to the landscape and start rendering it. And one more thing left, that we have hidden everything. So this is our kitchen view, and I can see only the kitchen view because this is our active view. And if you want to see the other views, let me see, we had an option at this place to see the different section views. Okay, this 3D view. Now you can see the 3D view, but as you can see that there's no assets available over here. So you can just go to 3D, search for the 3D view, and then go to unhide, I mean this button, and then select, just wait for a while. And now as you can see that the system is not responding, I mean the Revit is not responding actually. So this is the last thing I'm doing in this project. After this I will just give you a tour of this house and then we will end this session. So I think it is an hour long. So just select this one, go to and hide in view element. Okay, select this and hide in view and category, and now you can see that everything is hidden. Select this and hide in view and element and done. After this go to the 3D and now you will find that everything is here. So this is our house that we made. After this is the entrance door, and then after entering this house we had a door at this place. Yes, from here we can see that there's a room, and as you can see that, okay, this is the glass. If you want to change the glass color you can do that later on. After this, where's our kitchen? Let me just go out of this house first. Okay, let's take a tour from the above side. So this is how it looks from the far away. So this is a 360-degree view, and as you can see that we have just cropped this area, so nothing outside this area is visible right now. So you can just remove the crop and you will find everything. After this is our living room, and here as you can see that the water is I mean grass is coming out of this water. The person living here has not maintained that place, so let us leave that one for our next project. And if you want to remove that you can do that, but for the time constraint I'm not removing that right now. And this is our bedroom. From here you can just enter this room. Here we have not provided a TV, you can provide it here. This is our living room. And what else is left? So if you will do the interior designing of it, it will look better. And as you can see there's no more room left over this place, so you can remove this TV unit from this place. Let me just remove that. Go to the second level, to ground level. Okay, and where is that TV? Okay, first floor 3, yes. And this, just remove this. And now go to the 3D view. Now we have this area, and if you want to make some editing in this place you can do that. If you want to put a railing at this place you can do that. So I'm just putting a railing. Go to architecture, then railing, and railing from this place to this place, and now it's done. And finish it. Go to the 3D view, handrail pipe. Instead of handrail pipe I am going to use glass bottom panel, and now you will see that there's a railing, and done. And this is our outside type of area. This is our room, and as you can see the TV is floating, so you can make it right. And here is our outside area, and here is a walking area. And I think this wall has come out of this place. You can adjust it by your own. And then this is how our renderings look from a 360-degree perspective. So let me show you what was our project and what we have achieved. And you can change the timing of it, and I have not provided any of the light material, so at night time it will not look that good. So I'm just taking the dead rendering. And if you want to change the sun, then how we can change it? Just a second. Okay, shift and U. Just press shift and U, and now you can change the D. Actually shift. Solar rotation is control and U. Okay, so this is how you can change the solar rotation. Now you can see that sun is moving, and then this is our front view of the house. If you want to make some editing to it you can do that. And this was how our project looked from the front side. So we have not provided this as a white wall, so we can do that. Go to the 3D view and select this wall, edit, edit, and provide it something white. That is, either you can select ceiling or vinyl something. Okay, polyvinyl, yes. Or you can select what was that? Plastic, maybe. Plastic we don't have. Okay, this tile porcelain, I'm going to select this and okay and okay. And now if you go to 3D, you can see that. Yes, now it looks something like this. And I have provided this railing. If you don't want to provide this, you can just remove this railing, because there was some place left over here. That is why I provide that railing, because if someone goes to this place and if it falls down, that is also a problem. So I am taking the real instance at that place, and now this place is done. And now that we have completed our project, I'm going to end this session. So thank you for watching, and for our next project, let's see what we can make. So stay tuned for our next project. And this is the end of this session. Thank you for watching.